Well, good morning, tubes. Haven't made too many videos this year, partially because I got rid of the truck with the plow, my Silverado, and I ended up purchasing this LBZ Duramax Diesel pickup. But I figured I would make a video of cold start. It's negative 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside, so figured we'd do a nice cold start. No problem. I did straight pipe this truck, and I plan on making more videos of it. Just really haven't had too much time. We haven't even had any snow this year either, so yeah, no problem. I'm very happy with that. Freezing out here. That's just because it's so cold out here. I'm trying to wait for it to go in high idle so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Well, that's the new truck. I guess I'll come back when it goes into high idle. There we go. High idle for you. Okay.